Many students think mathematics is a complicated subject, but the real problem is that they lack foundation and the basic skill needed. Welcome to Radiant Academy. We help students understand, not just to memorize. Today's topic will be based on basic operations.
Go.
Okay, we are going to start with addition. Addition. Like we all know, addition. Every time when we have the numbers that have the same sign, when adding them, we take that sign. It's simple as that. You know, 5 plus 6. Because the numbers are positive, the answer is going to be positive. If we have -2 plus -3, the answer will also be negative, which means it's going to be -5. So, if we have numbers with the same sign, the answer take that sign. We add them and the answer take that sign. It's simple as that. Let's come to the point whereby we have numbers with different signs. In this point, let's ignore the signs and look at the numbers specifically. So what we are going to do, we are going to subtract the smaller number from the big number. Then, secondly, we are going to take the sign of the bigger number. For example, -5 plus 3. We are going to ignore that 5 is negative and 3 is positive. We are going to look at the number 5 and 3. Between 3 and 5, which number is the bigger number? Is 5. Which means we are going to say 5 minus 3. Then we get the answer that is 2. Now we take the sign of the bigger number, which means our answer is -2 on this point. Let's make another example. When we have -2 plus 6, we are going to apply the same trick. Now the bigger number is 6, so which means we are going to say 6 minus 2. Now the answer is 4. Then we take the sign of the big number, which is 6, which means our answer is 4. Let's move to subtraction. Subtraction. On this one, we're going to look at whereby numbers have different signs. With numbers have different signs of when we subtract them, what we do, we change the sign subtraction into addition, then we change the sign of the second number. Let's make an example. If we have 3 minus -4, we said the first step is to change the subtraction sign into addition. Now it's addition. The second step, we change the sign of the second number, which means now 4 is positive. Now the last step, we follow the sign of the addition rule, which means in addition rule we said that when the numbers have the same sign, the answer take that sign, which means the answer now is +7. Let's go to another example. If we have -5 minus 4, for example, we are going to follow the same rule. Re tlo tla re change letshwao la palo ya bobedi, or re tlo change letshwao lena into addition. Now we change the sign of the second number, which means now it is -4. Now we follow the addition rule, which means now we are going to say a bigger number minus the smaller one. 5 minus 4 is 1. Even now, re nka letshwao la palo e kgolo e leng 5. Now let's move to the last two signs that are left, which is multiplication and division. These two signs are the most easiest one. On this one, if ever the numbers have the same signs, the answer is always positive. If they have different signs, the answer is always negative. Let's make an example. If we have 3 times 2, the answer is positive, is 6. If we have negative 3 times negative 2, the answer is positive, is 6. Simple as that. Even on division, if we have 6 divided by 2, the answer is 3. If we have negative 6 divided by negative 2, the answer is 3. But if ever the signs are different, now the answer is always negative. If you have negative 3 times 2, the answer is negative 6. If we have negative 2 times 3, the answer is always negative. If we have negative 6 divided by 2, the answer is negative. If we have 6 divided by negative 2, the answer is always negative. Congratulations on taking your first step towards building foundation in mathematics. That brings us to the end of today's lesson. If ever you found this lesson helpful, please like, subscribe, follow, and comment on any Radiant Academy pages or accounts.
Success.